search term, and he was repeating, and now Amazon is totally against of these things. So that was my question. Why he was using this, and if he knows this is not good practice.
Can we repeat words in search terms? If you ask Amazon, the answer is no. But there is a grey practice that some of the sellers follow to get quick ranking. Now, should you use it? Okay, that we need to discuss. So, if I show you, here you can see there are 500 character limits for search terms now you can add here, and you can add more here. If you click add more, you can add a lot of keywords in the search terms field. So when you add keywords in the search terms, it gives signal to Amazon that these keywords are very relevant to this product and I want it to rank. And that's why Amazon gives it a priority. And that's why sellers take the advantage. They actually want to repeat the same keywords again and again for quick ranking. But this is not a good practice. Amazon is getting smarter every day. And if you repeat keywords, Amazon can easily understand, okay, these are keywords that you're trying to stuffing and you shouldn't do it. Having said that, so there are some phrases to rank on Amazon. The first phrase, it is indexing. Now for quick index, maybe some of the keywords, like your main keywords, you can repeat 1 or 2 times. But it is only for the first phase, not in the other phases. So you need to change the keywords. Now, how to do the search terms? If I can show you that, you will understand it very clearly. So there are mainly 2 ways that you can do keyword research. One is with keyword tools like Helium 10. The other one is brand analytics. So in the Helium 10 Cerebro, if you search with the keyword, you can see that a lot of keywords showing here, which are like ranked for this product or indexed for this product. Now, if I search with this in here, it will give me all the keywords it's indexed for. And I can like do some filtration here and take the keywords. But what I will do here is like checking the competitor of this product. And then I will go and check which are the keywords this competitor are running ads. So this is gonna give me a signal, or I will kind of understand, okay, these are the keywords he's running ads for. So for example, if I choose PPC from here, so sponsored, and then if I click on apply, so it will give me all the keywords it's running PPC for. So here you can see, I can see the keyword sales here, and also I can see the sponsored PPC bid. So let me sort it out from the most keyword sales. And here I will get a lot of keywords, potential keywords that I can actually utilize in my listing. So this is one way. The other way will be like adding a lot of competitors here. So if I click on get competitors, so it will give me a lot of suggestions from the top brands on Amazon, and I will select all of them which are actually relevant. This way I can add up to 10 competitors. So let's add competitors and get keyword. And this it will give me all the keywords which are ranked for these products. Now what I can do some filtration here, but let me download all of them here, export data from here, and then this one. So it will download the file and I will have all the access to all these keywords. So there are more than 9,000 keywords here. So now you have the keyword list from the Helium 10. So let it be here. Now let's move on and try to download keywords from the brand analytics. And for that, we need to go to brands and then brand analytics. And from there, you need to select you can check the top search terms, which are actually basically for all the category on Amazon. So we need this one, search query performance. And here you can select weekly, you can select monthly or quarterly. So let's select monthly for now. And then I want to see the last month data, February, and apply. And then what it will give me the all keywords from here. So what I can do, I can again download this from here. Well, it is in progress. Now let's go back to the Helium 10 keywords that we downloaded. And we will actually do some kind of filtration there. So what I will do here, I will actually basically remove all the irrelevant keywords. For example, enable editing here. So what I will do, I don't need this one. So let's remove this whole thing here, and I will add the relevancies. So here you see the first keyword, which is pregnancy, back, brace, and support, which is relevant. I will give it 1. And this way I will give 1 to all the relevant keywords. And now let me show one, like for example, if I go below, like this one, it's not relevant to my product. So it has some issues, like maybe this is the brand name. So I'll put it to 3. And for some keywords which are not actually 100% relevant, I will put them as 2. For example, let me check like this one, I think this is a Spanish word, so I will put this to 2, which means these are the keywords which are not 100% relevant, which I cannot maybe add in my front end, so that I will use in my backend. So these are the 3 numberings that I will actually use to fix this keyword list. Now let's go back to brand analytics, and here you can see the ASIN view. So what I will do, I will include one of the ASIN that I'm gonna do the search terms. So this is the ASIN here, and I will select the range for quarterly here, and then 2024, and the last quarter apply. So it will give me all the keywords it ranked for in the last quarter of the last year, and here are all the keywords. So I will also download this one. So well, I got the report here. Now I will do the same here as well. I will input numbering like the one I did with the helium chain, and when it is done, then I will prepare a report like this one. So this is the helium 10 search terms, and this is the brand analytics keywords. And combining both, I prepared a master keyword sheet. Now we have all the keywords. Here you can see all the important and relevant keywords along with some keywords, for example, which are international keywords, like this is Chinese keywords, this is a Spanish keyword. So these help us to rank our product beyond. And also we can include some of the misspelling or spelling mistakes that people generally search with for a product in the search term. So we now have all the keywords. So now I will copy all of them, and I will remove all the duplicates from here and only use the words in my search terms.
So one other company, that they said nothing to repeat, and they have used, the Frankenstein tool to, keep the unique terms only. So that is, they said never use in the even in the back end also the repeat.
Yeah, Frankenstein really helps to process all the keywords, the unique keywords. So let's copy all of them here and go to Frankenstein. So here I will input all the keywords, and then I will select remove duplicates, convert to lowercase, add only a space, which are all okay, and then I will just process. So here you can see it gives me now only 584 characters of keywords, which is almost what I actually are looking for. Now there are some single words like X, I don't want to use it. Then size, I don't want to use it. And there are some other keywords I will actually remove. So basically it gives you all the keywords that we actually took from both Helium Chain and Brand Analytics. Now, if I copy all of them and use them in my backend keywords, most probably I'm going to cover up for all the keywords. Now, here's the thing. You shouldn't repeat keywords, as I said, meaning you shouldn't use any keyword that you already used in the title, bullet point, and description. So what are the keywords you're going to use? So there are keywords you can find like belly brands, which we already used in the title, pregnant, and there are some other keywords that we already use in the title and in the detail page. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove them from here. In that case, we'll get more space. And for that, we'll use some spelling variation keywords. For example, the spelling mistake keywords that people may search with, Spanish keywords, Chinese keywords, and any other keywords that actually help us rank on Amazon. So these cover up all our important keywords. Now, when you did all this, then you need to monitor the ranking, how many keywords you are indexing, ranking, and what's the ranking position you have. When you track the ranking, then you get the idea, okay, this is working well or not. And if it doesn't work properly, then you need to tweak a bit, like you should change every 2 or 3 months the search terms based on the trends and based on the search volume, based on the keyword sales. So these are some of the strategy that you can follow to do keyword research, and at the same time use the Frankenstein tool and use the search terms in your backend. Now, at the same time, you'll get a lot of keywords that you can also use in your front end, and also you can follow these to run PPC. So you get all the keywords here. Now it's time to implement them properly. Now remember, when you are using search terms, you need to make sure that you are following the guideline. Like you shouldn't use any brand name. Now here in this list, there might be some brand names. You need to check and remove that brand name if there is anything. And then no punctuation. You shouldn't mislead or use any irrelevant terms in the search terms. Now, when you follow all the guideline, you are good to go with the search terms. Now, there's another bonus things that I would like to tell you here. Like you have now a lot of keywords in the list, and now what you can do, Search terms is not the only backend things. You can use this in the alt text field as well. So there is a plus content, and for every module in under every images you can use 100 characters of alt text, and in the brand story as well you can use alt text. So this helps you to boost your ranking. And not only the alt text field, there is some backend field as well, like the platinum keywords. There are some subject matters where you can actually use these keywords to get more visibility. Remember that this helps you to rank organically, so you're not paying anything to Amazon. So it also supports your PPC. When you run PPC, it's gonna support as well. So there's a lot of tricks that you can follow when you use actually search terms and plan strategy for organic ranking. If you are selling on Amazon and need expert guidance, don't forget to email at info@ecomclicks.com to book a free consultation.